How to add Monopoly code to McDonald's app. Today we're going to show you how to add your Monopoly game codes to the McDonald's app to collect all those awesome prizes. Whether you're trying to win food, cash, or even a car, adding your codes is simple. So let's dive right in. Here, as you can see, what we can do to simply win, that is order and simply scan from our McDonald's app and play for a 1 in a 4 chance to win from it. Now let's open our McDonald's app, and from there go to the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, simply tap on scan vouchers, which will open the next window where you can be able to scan the voucher. Simply scan your voucher, or you can simply tap here to enter the voucher code. You can simply manually enter the voucher code as well. Simply enter the code. This is where you can manually type in your code. Make sure you're entering it exactly as it appears with no spaces or mistake. And once your code is entered, you can check out your rewards and game pieces right here. And that's it. You're all set to start collecting your Monopoly prizes.